Hi everyone, I'm showing my presentation from Training Zipline Trainers. That's my YouTube channel. Show you how to capture an elevation difference between your towers. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up Google Earth Pro. Now granted, if you don't have Google Earth Pro, you're going to need to download it. And so with that, we'll open up Google Earth and we're going to take a look at it. Right now it's showing the elevation, but we just want to look at the path, look at the towers, look at the top. Now that we're looking at what I created, and I'll do it again just to show you, we're going to notice here the top tower, and we're going to notice the bottom tower, and we're going to notice our elevation. And as that elevation moves down through there, what it's doing is the elevation of the Earth. Right now, our elevation difference is 250 feet, which may seem like a lot, but we were stopping everyone safer. So up in the upper left corner, we're going to type in where the location was for my Spanish Fork zipline. It was at the Spanish Fork Reservoir, so we'll go ahead and go there, and Google's going to take us there. Now, I cleared everything out, so I'm going to have to put back in my locations for where my zipline was located, the towers. First I'm going to do is grab this upper left-hand little pin. I'm going to call this my top tower. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to move that to where the location is of the top tower back in 2009. And then I'm going to click OK, and I'm going to grab another one because I want to put this one as the bottom tower, and I want to put it in the location where it was at, which was right down about here. And then we'll click OK. Then we're going to grab this other icon right here. It's a path. It says right here, add a path. And so we're going to add a path, and we'll just do cable. So this is where the cable went and started from. Cable. We're going to go ahead and start here. We got to hold down our button there. And we're going to go all the way over to this corner. Okay. Then we're going to OK that. Then what we're going to do, since that path was untitled, we're going to look at show elevation profile. And so what that does is it gives us our elevation of 5,400 feet. As you can see, it's showing up here and down here on the bottom left. And so that elevation profile is going to move along that cable all the way. And what you're going to notice is we're about 250 feet of difference. Now from this, we can find out what an average speed would be for a two-wheeled zipline trolley, or over 80 miles an hour. Luckily, we had friction braking trolleys, which I'm hopefully going to sell you guys because we know how to stop zipliner. Now I'm going to take you to my channel, which is up here in the top left, Training Zipline Trainers. And so we'll look at this video. It's near the end. We're going to look at the variables for calculating speed. Well, you only have one variable, and that is your height, what you're seeing over here. Now the units for that height are important. You can't have gravity units in meters per second and height units in feet per second. You just won't get a good calculation. But the way to find maximum speed, and I would always times it by 0.9, which is 90%. Petzl told us their trolleys travel at 95%. Speed equals the square root, and you should have a square root function on just about any calculator. Square root of 2 times gravity times the height. Now if the height's in feet, gravity's got to be in feet. And this video goes on to tell you that gravity in feet is 32 feet per second, whereas gravity in meters is 9.8 meters per second. But go ahead and watch this video. If you have any questions, please contact us. We're just here to help. We're trying to help you find your elevations and get you a maximum speed, and then we can do something from there. We just want to give you an estimate. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. I'll put this video with a series of videos how to capture arrival speed. What I did to make your life a little bit easier, once you've found your meters or differences in feet or meters on your zipline towers, we're going to go ahead and show you. So what we do is we calculate 9.8 meters per second. We put it into this formula over here. We times it by 3, which is our H property. It gives us about 12 miles an hour. And so we did the same thing, 32 feet per second as our gravity constant times 10 feet, and it gives us about 12 miles an hour. Now, if you go down through here, you're going to see these different feet numbers, and 150 feet, it's probably over 50 miles per hour, but it's a place to start. you want to start testing your Zipline and do so that your Zipliners don't crash into things. Look for us at www.ziplinebreakingsolutions.com or zipsafer.com. We're also found on Amazon. You can find and buy our products there. Have a wonderful day.